Welcome back to the channel where we explore hair care on a budget. Today, we're diving into the essentials of maintaining your luscious locks without breaking the bank. If you're on the hunt for a super hydrating mask, the Kinpur Organic Cosmetics Keratin Hair Treatment Mask could be just what you need. This powerhouse product combines collagen, protein, argan, avocado, coconut, and jojoba oil to give you the deep conditioning your hair craves. Let's break down what sets this hair mask apart. Designed to cater to all hair types, whether straight, curly, wavy, frizzy, or dyed, this treatment is perfect for anyone seeking luscious, vibrant hair. With benefits like deep conditioning, hydration, and strengthening, it works wonders by nourishing dry, damaged hair, combating frizz, and controlling split ends. It's sulfate-free and paraben-free, making it an excellent choice for those conscious about the ingredients they apply to their scalp and strands. The Kinpur mask is not just about immediate hydration. It plays a significant role in the long-term health of your hair. Experience how it can revitalize your locks, helping to restore hair affected by sun exposure, blow-drying, or frequent coloring. Enriched with argan oil, this mask gently exfoliates and moisturizes your hair from roots to tips, providing a silky texture without any dryness. Additionally, the nourishing jojoba oil helps maintain fresh-looking hair, catering to those who often struggle with maintaining moisture levels. For those concerned about hair loss, this mask is a game changer. Its keratin-rich formula supports healthy scalp conditions while promoting natural hair growth. With the combined power of biotin and argan oil, experience a reduction in hair loss and an increase in volume as you restore your strands to their prime. Moreover, the Kinpur mask strengthens your hair, decreasing thinning and graying. Its collagen content helps maintain the structural integrity of hair follicles, ensuring you have thick, smooth hair. The versatility of this hair repair mask makes it suitable for both men and women, accommodating a diverse range of hair textures and colors while helping to keep dyed hair vibrant. As a special bonus during the summer, this curly hair mask provides the hydration needed to keep your curls soft and manageable. For more insightful tips and tricks on hair care, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join our community dedicated to nurturing and celebrating beautiful hair without overspending. Thanks for watching, and here's to your best hair days ahead.